Morning. Well, looks like we all made it through to 2020. It's the 6th today, 6th of January. It's about 7:15 in the morning, 7:05. I fired my cord in at 6 o'clock. I'm heading down to Teesside. I'm going down like empty, but I'll be coming back with quite a bit on the back. We're doing a big strip today. So we'll get my hands in. We broke up on the Thursday before Christmas, believe it or not. So like you had, Christmas was a Wednesday. The week before that, we got everything boxed off and basically just shut down the yard on the Thursday about 11 o'clock in the morning. And the day's officially our first day back. What a difference, what a difference. When I was doing food containers, steaks and fowlers and whatnot, wow, this was the busiest time for you. Non-stop. I mean, it's busy anyway, but Christmas time, I'd say busy, really, I mean, more sitting around in RSUs and RDCs or wherever you are, just awful. So it's been a very, very chilled out Christmas and New Year for myself and my family. It's been lovely. Like I say, I'm away down Teesside today. It's still dark, obviously. It's not going to get dark till about 8 o'clock, 5 to 8. But it's super mild. Already it's 8 degrees here. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. A quick shout out to Alan there, who sent us a private message through email. Chin up, son. I'm still absolutely loving the new direction I've taken. Still get to drive the wagons. If I want to jump in a class 1, I can pick the phone up, do some agency work on my days off, but I really don't need to at the moment. I can't say he's ever needing to. It would be nice just to keep my hand in now and then, you know. This time of year, January, February, it's normally an absolute nightmare if you are with the agency to try and get work. This is when you seem to struggle unless you're right in and you've got a good relationship, good contract with the company. It's not all agency drivers that struggle this time of year, but generally you find most of them do. Just dies a death. Forecast for high winds up here, but it's, I think, mostly on the west northwest coast, gales and whatnot, but it's a warm wind. It's so weird. Right, 5 to 4, heading back to the yard to unload. Busy day today. I tell you what, I'm glad to get back at it again after sitting around for a couple of weeks. Get that beach body back. There's an awful lot of work for the two of us there today, but it was good. It was good to let us out, like, but never mind. Thanks very much. I'll just go because I can. This is Stockton. Spent a lot of money here, an awful Normally you don't need to put your handbrake on, you know, if you're on a slight slope. They will tell you that in your driving lessons as well. As long as you're sloping down the way, of course, you just put your foot on the brake, but I like to put the handbrake on. I've got 3 weeks today. We're off on my holidays. We're going away for a month, so we're doing a lot, predominantly island hopping in Thailand. A lot of stuff in the north of Thailand, the far north, right on the borders of Burma, and I'm going to be filming a lot of that as well, sticking it on my vlogs. So hopefully you don't mind that, and those who are more truck orientated, I do apologise, but you know, my vlogging is about everything. If you go back to the very beginning when I first started over 12 years ago, it was mainly travel then, and we managed to get some decent time off, a decent job now, and we're going to have a really bloody good time, I tell you. Lots of motorbiking up in the north, taking my drone, taking all my cameras, so it'll all be good. My laptop, I'm going to actually get it in the shop and just give it a spruce up, because it's been a little bit of a bugger still. I have quite a bit of problems trying to do more than one thing. So if I'm looking at one clip on me videos that I'm editing, it slows everything else down, unfortunately. And it's, even though it was a decent laptop when I first bought it, it's just driving us crazy. So I'm going to get it in the shop, and hopefully they can sort it out before I go away. Internet's pretty good wherever, you know. In Thailand now, it's not a bother at all. Most places you'd be surprised. I just leave it rendering overnight and uploading. Coming over, do you mind? No, thank you so much. Billingham. Right guys, we'll leave it at that. It's starting to get dark again. I'll fire the camera with us tomorrow, and if anything happens interesting, I shall get it on. I'll get it uploaded. Today was initially still alive. Back in the wagon, so we're doing a bit of vlogging again. I just wanted to wish you all the very best for 2020. Massive support I've had last year, the year before, it's built up and built up. It's been so much appreciated. I just, honestly, I've kept it real. I've been myself from start to finish. I've not come on and started changing, and there's a lot of guys out there, you've seen yourselves. I've had comments off many people, private messages. People are no longer keeping it real. Well, I'll never change. So I really appreciate the support, and I will catch you again very, very soon. Hopefully something interesting. Catch you later. Stop recording.